Today, we're diving into the debate about the merits of human creativity versus AI-driven automation in video content creation. When it comes to storytelling, humans bring unique perspectives, creativity, and original ideas that might be challenging for AI to replicate. Human storytellers can infuse stories with complex emotions, nuances, and subtleties that resonate deeply with audiences. Additionally, humans can adapt to unexpected changes in storytelling and adjust their approach based on audience feedback or evolving narratives. On the other hand, AI tools can streamline the video creation process, saving time and effort by automating tasks like video editing, scene selection, and text-to-speech conversion. AI can ensure consistency in visual style, pacing, and branding across multiple videos, which is important for maintaining a cohesive brand identity. Furthermore, AI-driven platforms can handle large volumes of content creation efficiently, making them well-suited for projects that require frequent updates or iterations. Lastly, AI tools can analyze data on audience engagement and preferences to optimize video content for maximum impact and effectiveness.